What is going on, guys? If you're wondering why I'm wearing camo and why I'm speaking quietly, well, basically, look, I'm feeling a bit left out. Everyone's around the world right now, they're doing apocalypse stuff. You know, I got my friends in downtown LA, I got my guys in New York. I've come to this like hidden forest, and that is like a really tall tree house. I know it's no like, you know, skyscrapers or anything like that, but usually there'll be loads of people here. We've got the camo on, we're gonna do it. So after releasing the first vlog, I was gonna do raw, I was gonna do uncut with the DVR, but I got a bit bored, and I'm just gonna do edits. Still gonna do BTS stuff and stuff like that when something funny happens, like crash my drone into a tree. But essentially, we're just gonna keep things simple, and I'm just gonna do, because I love editing the shots to get really passionate about it. So first location, here we are. Never flown here before. This one's for you guys, here we go. Are you ready to go on the waterfall?
Yes, yes.
You sure? What about you, girl? This is literally the first time I'm FPVing a waterfall. Cinewhoop is probably not the best for this kind of stuff, but I'm scared.
We're gonna send it.
Do you think I'm a good FPV pilot?
Yes. Vinny says yes.
Alright, so basically, waterfall, Alexa, FPV, Cinewhoop. Here we go, you ready? Let's go. You know how we do this, let's just roll this, here we go.